Hi guys, today let's draw a resting cat. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, don't forget to share it with them. If you want to get the other video we are releasing soon, subscribe to us and click on the bell icon next to it. Well, now you have a work to do. Yeah, you must paint him in a medium you like. Okay, it's time to go. See you in another video. Bye.